Hello traders, today I'm sharing with you a very profitable OTC strategy for pocket option. For this tutorial I'm using 30-second candle time frame and 2-minute trade expiry time. For indicators, I use the Keltner channels with multiplier change to 2 and thicken lines and some color change. Below the screen I have the DeMarker indicator and the stochastic oscillator all at default settings. Subscribe if you are new as I roll out the video intro and get the link to pocket option in the video description. The trade on the screen is a call option trade. Following the indicator to get signals for good entry points follows this conditions. For call option trade entry point, the red candles should reach the lower Keltner channel line and the stochastic oscillator should be in oversold condition and the DeMarker indicator should also be in oversold condition, then you place call option trade. You can look for other entry point confirmation from the market support and resistance or any other confirmation you may have will come in handy. Trading binary option is associated with high risk, so proper research before trading. Here is another call option trade entry point and you should take note that the red candles reached the lower Keltner channel line but the market did not start reversing upward even though the stochastic oscillator and the DeMarker indicator were in oversold condition, so having an extra confirmation for your entry points is a good idea. Let's see how the call trade will close. This is a good moment for put option trades as the green candle have closed above the upper Keltner channel line and the stochastic oscillator is in overbought condition and the DeMarker indicator is also in the overbought condition, confirming the entry signal for the put option trade. Take note that it is not always that the market reverses to the opposite direction when it reaches the upper or lower Keltner channel line. That makes this strategy only applicable to ranging markets like on the screen. I think this is another good moment for call option trades. This is another put option trade entry point following the indicators. I think the trade was entered too early on this entry point and the results is a loss. This is a great moment for call option trades following the indicators as they are all leaving the oversold condition upward and the red candles have reached the lower Keltner channel line and the market is pulling back upward. Thank you all for watching the tutorial, and I really hope it will improve your trading, and if you have some time then check out some of this videos on the screen now.